At GuruSchools, I believe that compliance isn't just a checkbox. It's the foundation for trust and quality. That's why our team recently tackled a major milestone, the SOP Revamp and GxP compliance program. Think of it as hitting the reset button on how we do things. We took a deep dive into every standard operating procedure, especially across data quality and our lab processes. The aim? To make sure every SOP lines up perfectly with the latest GxP requirements and those ever-evolving regulatory standards. This wasn't just about paperwork. We set out to update and streamline our QA and QC manuals to match the newest FDA and ICH guidelines. We put the changes to the test with real audits and pilot runs, so we didn't just hope for results, we proved them. Training was a huge focus too. I made sure every team member knew the new standards inside out. And we documented everything, manuals, change logs, and all the training records, so nothing falls through the cracks. By approaching this overhaul as a true internal rollout, GuruSchools boosted its compliance game and set the stage for smooth audits in the future. More importantly, it built a stronger sense of trust in how we work, inside the lab and out in the world. Compliance isn't just what we do, it's who we are.